Okay, so this is the Mobius camera. It's quite old. I bought it around 2013, and this is the original battery. It still holds a bit of a charge, believe it or not. Now I bought a super capacitor with it. And what I'm worried about here is, as you can see, or can you? Right there is we're getting corrosion, and that's at the contact points. Even though they're gold and gold doesn't corrode, they're gold tipped. The system, once corrosion sets in, the circuits are so closely packed together that they can actually bridge together themselves. You see, like this fine line of gold here, that's safe. But whatever's in here and under here, like this, if you get corrosion on there, you'll get conductivity across places where you don't want it to be conducting across. Now, as far as the battery is just a simple chemical pack. It's got the rating on there. I don't know. It really doesn't matter what the rating is. But it's 3.7 volt, and it's a lithium ion, and that's important. It's 520 milliamp hours. 1.9. What does this say? 1.92 watt hours. That's lowercase w, so I don't know. Okay. All the rest seems to be just manufacturing identifiers. So as you can see, what I'll do is unplug it. The battery unplugs completely, and you can replace it with the supercapacitor. The camera lens, actually the CC. This is more than just the camera lens. This is the whole camera. And what it does is you can actually swap this out. See, it says 2013 August 2nd. You can actually swap that out for a different model, and as you can see, there's little ridges in which to place these different lenses. And another thing is, if you're gonna buy one of these, it comes with several tools, and one of them is very important, and that is the hex Allen wrench, because you are not likely to find one that fits this perfectly. So now first you want to mark in any way you can where your focus is, because what this is let me see if I can zoom in. So I can zoom in and make that visible. Okay, so yeah. Alright, so let's twist it out. Okay, so I'm loosening the nut that pins the focus down. Okay, so let's move it up to the next level. And as you can see, let me try to get this right here. As you can see, you can start out like this, where it's within, or you can bulge out a little bit and become more of a macro. And although that may not be the original intent, because I'm having some trouble doing so. So let's just go with the original. Okay, so there we are. Okay, here we are. We've loosened the... I really hope this comes out to be a good video. We've loosened the nut that attaches. See, you got to be careful when you're touching this stuff. You got to avoid touching the lens. You got to avoid all kinds of stuff. Anyway, okay, so it's loose. Okay, there's my mark. Okay, there's my mark, right? You see it? It's a mark from here, and it goes onto here. And you see as I turn, can you see that? Okay, yeah, okay, good. So, you can actually go one full revolution around, believe it or not. And there you are. Now, what focus is that? Who knows? You won't know until you put it in and try it out. I think you'd even go a third time until you actually pull the thing out. I don't know if it'll actually pull out or if it will prevent you from going further. Now, okay, so there you go. Unless you're using direct video feedback, it's really not useful to adjust the lens. It's really best just to set it the way it came. The reason is you can't focus it if you can't see what you're doing. You know what I mean? It's like if you can't see what you're doing, what's the point? Ooh. Oh shit. Look at that. Oh boy. I hope that is not a problem. If that's a problem, then I'm in big trouble. You see this here. You see that? If those copper wires touch, yeah, I think I'm screwed. Yeah, I think I'm screwed. Let me get this on here. Yeah, you see that there? Right there. It looks very small. I could take a magnifier to it, but it looks like the insulators have been stripped off. And hang on, let me pause this.